That's a strange thing.
Stand by the bloody alarm stage.
It might be just straight as simple as it's on the timer. There is a way through.
Where that comes?
Sorry?
That goes into the bit that's been excavated, doesn't it?
It is, it does. Well, we can have a look at that when we come back afterwards.
You're either pulling the train or not pulling the train. What is it? Supposed to do that?
Yeah.
God, look at them. Rock. Bins holding the rocks in there.
Yeah, well that's the rock balls that Mum was talking about before.
The Llanberis village is this way.
They go up to the village, the end of the station at the end of this line this way.
And then you go that way.
And then they run the engine round and then they go that way.
This one's now initiated. Another one there. So what's that? Spy?
That's holiday apartments up underneath that.
What?
That's holiday apartments up there.
Castle or something up there. Yeah, that's the dam, isn't it? At the end. That's the biggest option. That's electric mains in there, is it?
Yeah. Well, not quite there. If you
There, right at the back.
once when we get back, we. Sorry. It's just a walk through from the railway station to the village.
Snow's behind us.
No, it isn't.
In front of us.
No, it's over here. The mountain railway goes straight off the other side of the road that we're just coming to, straight off, and then goes all the way up in that direction. You can virtually, I don't know if you still can, you used to be able to drive up to virtually the Portaway station. I don't know if it's still...
First station.
Yeah.
I think there is a... Here we are, Llanberis.
Llanberis. Böyle